Crystal and whoever else might be watching this. This is Scott Walker. We just spoke on the phone, Crystal, and I wanted to make this quick video showing you how I've helped other auto glass companies scale and grow their business using their online presence and steal leads from Safely. And if you guys like what you see, feel free to set up a discovery call with me, and if not, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day. I usually start by going over your website and your Google Ads and then Google Business Profiles. So for starters here, really like that you guys, I'm assuming this is your crew, so that's always a good one to have right up top. But one thing I'd really recommend for your website is to have more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And it looks like Fernando's the founder, so that's him. So hopefully you get to see this, Fernando. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And to me, that is a location and a service. So like windshield replacement, Denver, or auto glass, Lakewood, wherever you guys service. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying Denver Auto Glass Experts, that could also be a buyer intent keyword. I know there's some of these ones that don't. Yeah, like instead of upsplash image. Those can be counted as content because they're embedded behind the photo for you. And to go over your website to give me your analytics, this is Ahrefs, a third-party tool. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want these continuously moving up. You're currently at 0 and 11 due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 83 keywords, and you're getting about 15 people to your website each and every month. With that being said, your website's acting a lot like a digital business card instead of an online lead generating tool, which could generate, a profit for you. So these are some of the keywords that you're being found for. Quality auto glass near me. That should be, I guess that's local more than anything. And then this is branded. Those you're on the first page of Google for. After this, though, you jump to like the third, fourth, fifth page. Denver Auto Glass, that's a good one. Which one was I looking for? This one right here, though, windshield replacement Denver. There's 900 searches for it. But you're on the 7th page of Google, so you won't be ever put in front of those until you're on the first page. Usually first, second, or third position. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I like to go after. And the reason for that is they're looking for your service right now in your area. So I did just do a quick search of windshield replacement Denver. Usually right up top are Google Ads. There's great ways to get good click-through rates by grouping your ad groups by theme, which means like having windshield replacement and windshield repair different, and even windshield replacement and auto glass replacement in different ad groups. And having as much of the keyword as humanly possible inside of the ad itself is a way to get good click-through rates. Once you have a good click-through rate, to have a good conversion rate from your landing page, you want to have a click-to-call right up top, form submit right here, what you do, where you do it, and then also any promotions. And if you guys do anything special like fleets, if you're doing a fleet ad group, then we want to be having a fleet, being worked on as opposed to just a car. So just have the imagery in the background being the same as whatever the search term is. And just to kind of show you, I looked at just Denver for you on Google Ads. For windshield replacement alone, there's 3,000 searches. A lot more replacements are down, a lot of repairs, and then a lot more replacements are searched down here. So, you're looking at probably over 10,000 searches just in your area for auto glass each and every month. So getting in front of these guys is, would be a really great benefit to going towards growing your business. And then we go into the Google Business Profile. It's okay that you're not here right now. There's lots of ways to get in here. The first off being to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't miss it Google. Getting reviews is really big, and I could help you get good reviews quickly. I just have a little trick that I like to share with my clients. And then making sure your name, address, and phone number are things are in like directories like Yellow Pages, because Google's a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, they'll start to trust you more, and not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Ads and Google Business Profile, about 60 to 70% of traffic stops right here. and then it goes down into the organics where your website could rank. And it looks like Denver Auto Glass is one of your top competitors here. So when you start to look at their website in comparison to yours, I think you have more content, but we just need some more backlinks and better buyer intent keywords. So when you start out rank these guys by having more content, better buyer intent keywords, the authoritative backlinks and citations, you could kind of see what kind of search volumes you're looking at. Windshield replacement Denver 800, Denver windshield replacement 150 more. And as you can see, all of these have windshield or auto glass in the search term. And so when you start out ranking your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of theirs. And a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Crystal, I really hope that this was beneficial for you. If you liked what you saw, if you could pass it on to whoever else might be watching it, I'd love to set up a discovery call with you guys to see if we'd be a good fit to work together and grow your business. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.